Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to format text as heading in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and highlight the text you want to turn into a heading. Next, click the Style drop-down in the toolbar that usually reads normal text, then choose Heading 1, Heading 2 or Heading 3 depending on the level you need. Then, if you want to customize the appearance, format the text, the font, size or color using the toolbar. Click Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 1, for example, update Heading 1 to match and that style will appear to all headings of that level. After that, to use the same heading style in future documents, open Format, Paragraph Styles, Options, Save as my default style. Finally, use headings to build a table of content, improve navigations, and keep your document organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.